Loikerbad was a blend of thrill and serenity. Swinging high above the valley, the adrenaline rush was matched only by the careful navigation around falling rocks on the trail. Whoa, there's rocks falling. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. There's a rock falling. Rock! Rock!
Rock falling!
21 days, 5 breathtaking locations, and countless memories. Over the next few weeks, I'll be sharing all the details, the insights, the experiences, the beautiful scenery, plus tips on camping, hiking, and finding peace in nature. If this resonates with you, be sure to follow me for all the updates. I'm excited to share more with you.